One of my understandings is that IoT is basically going to give us an absolutely interconnected, completely transparent supply chain. But obviously, at the moment, there are a lot of companies that work in silos, which is their area of specialization. Can you please talk to me about how this is going to change and what tomorrow's customer can expect from companies that operate in the space?
Sure. That's the interesting part about ORBCOMM. When we talk to a customer that comes to us with a need, such as to outfit their containers or their reefers with IoT, we bring those experts to the table, and that's really what we're focused on. But because ORBCOMM has experience in other verticals, we're able to really connect the end-to-end vision. And so not all our customers are shipping lines, right? And in some cases, we deal with BCOs, 3PLs, or also over the road, truckers, as well as, warehouses and actually endpoint shops.
And you
So
even own your own satellites. So
that's
quite a lot
that's
you're
true
bringing
too.
to the table.
Yeah. So we talk about the connected world. You have to marry all that data together to have a full end-to-end visibility of supply chain. And we can help all those parties do that. ORBCOMM isn't necessarily the solution for that in terms of, come to us and we're going to provide everything to you, but we can help make that integration by helping you share that data, making it, something that's widely applicable, and also making those connection points that don't exist by using our technologies such as a satellite or our IoT devices. But at the end of the day, what we're seeing at ORBCOMM outside of maritime is a much more connected supply chain. And then maritime kind of lagging behind, where that's where a lot of the data, it isn't available, quite frankly, or isn't being shared. And
Yes.
that's what we're advocating for at ORBCOMM, and trying to help connect that data to the other portions of the chain, mostly the ones that reside hinterland, to make that end-to-end visibility really possible. And that's also leveraging other vendors and other technologies, and that's okay too, because that's what we really want. We want a connected world.